Welcome to ShoWork. This is the complete guide for vendors. By the end, you will know how to run your entire operation here, from the first work order to getting paid. Let's start at your dashboard. Your dashboard is mission control. At a glance, you see new work orders, quotes you still owe, jobs in progress, payments due, and which of your crews are working right now. Anything that needs your attention is right at the top. Let's talk about work orders, the heart of ShoWork. When a property manager sends you a job, it lands here. Open it to see the property, the problem, the urgency, and any photos they attached. From a work order, you do everything. Assign it to a worker, start it, track progress from the field, and mark it complete. You can also create your own work order anytime with the New Job button. When a job needs pricing, you submit a quote. Add your line items, set your price, and send it to the property manager. They approve it in one click, and the job becomes active. When work is finished, ShoWork walks you through a quick quality check. Confirm the work, the cleanup, and the photos, then ShoWork builds a completion report and you can turn it straight into an invoice. Your workers live under the Workers tab. Add a field worker with their name, phone, and trade skills. Each worker has a profile with their performance score, their jobs, and their photo history. Here is what makes ShoWork different. Your crews do not need to learn an app. They connect to your Telegram bot and they get their jobs, send photo updates, request materials, and flag problems, all from a chat in their own language. Move-outs have their own workflow. When a tenant leaves, you survey the unit, submit a final quote for any damage, and track it through to a suite that is ready for the next tenant. Under Properties, you manage every location you service. Add a property with its address, access notes, and gate codes, and list each suite with its tenant. Your crews see all of this before they arrive. Getting paid is simple. An invoice can be created automatically the moment a job is done. Add any line items, send it to the property manager, and track when they view it and when they pay. ShoWork also handles the money you owe. Under Accounting, record bills from your suppliers, approve them, log payments, and watch your aging so nothing slips past due. When your account managers inspect a property, the findings come to you. Review each one, and with a single click, convert any finding into a work order so the fix gets scheduled right away. Keep your compliance current under Documents. Upload your insurance, your W-9, and your licenses, and ShoWork tracks the expiration dates and reminds you before anything lapses. To work with a property manager, you connect with them, send a PM an invite code, and once they accept, you choose exactly which of your properties they can see. The report section turns your work into numbers. See your completion rates, your turnaround times, and a full financial picture, billed, invoiced, and collected with filters and exports. Finally, your settings. Manage your profile and your team, set a strong password and two-factor authentication, and choose your language. Owners and admins can also unlock team accounts and set up the emergency escalation ladder so urgent jobs always reach a real person. That is ShoWork for vendors, end-to-end. Work orders, crews, billing, compliance, and proof on every job. Everything your business runs on in one place. Welcome aboard.